Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Hyundai Santa Fe, but whether it's a Hyundai Santa Fe or Hyundai Sonata, they all, like same company, and we are trying to work on how to add a key or how to program a remote. Stay with us. Okay, right now, what we're gonna do is to go and add another remote into it. Okay, first you have to open this place to get the OBD2 connector. Is here, whether you need to do a diagnosis or you need to do programming. That's the one, and I'm using the J2534 wireless connected with this one. The car is running right now. The car is running, so we're gonna wait. We turn everything on. This is Max 608. Okay, now let's go here, and this is the key that I have it. This is the remote that we have, and we are trying to add this remote. Okay, hopefully everything is on. Now I'm gonna go to IMO. From IMO, I believe programming the remote, the ignition have to be off. So I'm gonna go to by VIN, auto detect. Okay, I'm gonna detect it. It will tell me what car is it. I say okay. It's a US Santa Fe Sport. I say yes. Blade key. This is a blade key. Control unit, remote system, remote learning, remote control. Let me see what it's gonna say now. Turn the ignition on, then off. No, the instrument cluster is black. Pull the key out. So how it's gonna be is the car is running, so I'm gonna turn the key, take the key out. This already programmed. So, but this one is nothing, you see. So now we're gonna say okay. Now press lock or unlock for more than 1 second. Lock and unlock for more than 1 second. You hear the ding. Program, proceed. Do you want to program next one? Say yes, because maybe it delete all the things, all the keys. So this one also, you're gonna hear ting. Good. So what did it say? Program succeed. Will you like to program next one? I say no. Programming complete. Now I'm gonna go back, remote learning, or go back, live data. Do I have to turn the ignition on? I am not sure, but let's see what we have. Okay, number of the remote 2. Let me see what it say now. This is a new one, I just program it. See, I push the lock, I push unlock, it show lock, unlock. Invalid code trunk. 1 2 3 4 5 trunk. Invalid code. So we are good to go. We have this one. If you need to buy this key, I will put a link down. You can buy the blade by itself and transfer it here. Take this pin out. You can get original used one also, can work, and program it. Okay, if you need the machine, where you can get this machine, this is Maxim 608. It have diagnosis feature and programming feature and a lot of information there. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Chris. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.